welcome back to my channel. It is a rainy day here in upstate New York. Alyssa and I just came home from Florida. It was beautiful weather in Florida and we came home to this like rainy, yucky mess. So my hair is still wet from coming in from outside. But today I went to TJ Maxx because I was asked to take part in the Max 50 challenge. Now what is that? I will tell you in just a moment, but make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. And head over to my Instagram page, The Pixie Dust Housewife, and follow along on Instagram as well. Like I was saying, I was asked to do the Max 50 challenge, which is spend $50 at TJ Maxx to do a mini room makeover. And I decided to do a Mother's Day dining room makeover doing the Max 50 challenge. So I'm going to show you today a quick haul from TJ Maxx for all the items that I purchased for under $50, and we're going to use these for the Max 50 challenge. So first of all, I picked up these really gorgeous paper napkins. I love the colors in them. They were only $3.99 from TJ Maxx. There's 40 napkins and the colors are beautiful. I'm all about the purples and the pinks and the florals this spring, so I thought these would be gorgeous in a Mother's Day dining room scheme. Then I saw these really pretty lavender, they're kind of like a lavender pinky tone ceramic plates. They're like a dessert plate or an appetizer plate. They're a little bit smaller. Oh no, I just noticed that this plate right here has a chip on it. I don't think I saw that before, but oh well. They were $7.99 for a set of 4. I love the colors, and I thought the colors would kind of go really nice with the napkins. I purchased these really beautiful placemats, and I loved the texture of the print. It's kind of like a layered look in this beautiful ivory color, so I thought this would be gorgeous on my dining room table. These were $12.99, and again, you get 6 of them, and they're easy wipe or wash, which is really nice, and I can use these season after season because they're pretty basic. Another thing that I spotted, which I loved, and I was so happy that they had 4 available, were these gorgeous tumblers. Now these are plastic tumblers, so I'm gonna be able to use these outside in the summertime. I loved, again, the colors. Beautiful lilacs printed on the front of the glass here, and they're a larger size. They were $2.99 each, and they're outlined in this little gold print, which is so pretty. I love the little gold accents, so this is just gonna look gorgeous. I got 4 of them. All right. Also, I picked up this beautiful purple vase. Now I have a vase, almost this identical one, in like a teal blue color. I love the purple. The purple is gonna pull out the purple in the flowers on the tumbler and also in the flowers of the napkins here. And I don't have a lot of purple decor, so I thought this was gorgeous. This is actually made of recycled glass, and it's made in Spain. It was $4.99. It's kind of like a little odd shape to it, but it's just so pretty. I thought some real fresh lilacs in this on my dining room table would be beautiful. Lastly, I always love to add a nice fragrant candle to my dining room table, so I picked up the Lilac Blossom candle. This is DW Home. It's a hand-poured candle. It smells so good. It's not a strong, I have a problem with really strong floral smells. This one is very light. I'll definitely not have a problem with this one. This one was $6.99, and it burns for 33 hours. So, and again, the colors are gonna be perfect, kind of bringing that lavender tone into my dining room. So those were the items that I purchased for under just under $50. I think it ended up being like $49.90, something like that. So I am going to put these all together in my dining room, and we will show you what it looks like when it's done. So here is my Mother's Day dining room setup with all of the items that I bought from TJ Maxx for the Max 50 challenge. Some of them are items that I've also had, and I also picked up a couple extra things just to kind of complete my table setting here. Right, so these are those ivory placemats, which are so pretty and they're so simple, and I'm going to be able to use those with a lot of different decors that I do throughout the year. So that is the first thing that I have down. Then I have my white, these are actually a Christmas plate. I bought these for Christmas. I did buy these from, I believe, Home Goods. These are the Mikasa Holly Wreath. However, they're not like really holiday looking. I use these a lot throughout the year because I think it just looks like leaves around the edge, and they're really simple, just a classic white plate, which I love. So then I put on top of that, these are a pink depression glass plate. These are an heirloom that I've gotten from a family member, and they're just gorgeous. They're in this beautiful blush pink color. I have an entire collection of them. There's roses along the inside, and then there's little roses all around the outside. So that is my dinner plate that I used. Then these ones are the plates that I got from TJ Maxx, and they are the brand 10 Strawberry Street. They are like a ceramic dish. In this, it's just a ceramic kind of salad dish or dessert dish. It's not a huge plate. It's a little bit smaller than my pink depression glass. So I put that one right on top to kind of pull the pink colors in. Then I just used one of my paper napkins that we've got from TJ Maxx as well. I love the colors. I love the pinks and purples. I just set that right on top. And then these are little bowls that I picked up from Target. I believe they were $2.50 for 2 of them. They're those melamine bowls. I love the little design. There's 2 different designs. There's these ones right here, and then there's also those ones, and they come as a set like that. Like I said, I think they're $2.50 from Target. And then, so I wanted the look of gold silverware, but I have not purchased any yet because they're expensive. So what I did find was these are actually gold plastic silverware. You would never know. By looking at it, you would never know. The only way you know is by picking it up and feeling them. I'm gonna put a link to these in this description below. They come in a box like this, which is over here. I bought 2 boxes of them because I thought they'd be perfect to have for parties this summer. There's 20 forks, 20 spoons, and 20 knives in each container, and they are perfect. I love them. I love the gold. I spent less than $10 on those, and I got a complete serving, and I think that they're just really nice looking with my other gold accents. So here's the tumblers. There's those plastic tumblers that I got from TJ Maxx as well. I love those. I love I don't know if this is, it's kind of hard to tell whether that's a hydrangea or whether, I think it's a hydrangea. I think it's hydrangea. It almost looked like lilac, but it's a hydrangea, I think, and it does have the little gold outline. Just super pretty. And I bought these little straws. These are from the Target as well. These are a plastic straw. They're reusable, and they are they've got little gold glitter in them, which I thought were really cute in that little tumbler. This is another little small tumbler that is part of my pink depression glass collection. It's got the little roses on it, so I put one of those there. That's like a little juice glass. And then I also stuck a little candle. These came from the dollar store. I loved the blush pink with the little knobs. So a little candle at each place setting. So that is what each place setting looks like. Then there's that gorgeous purple vase that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and I filled it with these gorgeous faux lilacs. I'll try to link those in the description below, but these literally look real and they will not die, and I do not have to water them. The only thing is they don't smell like lilacs, which I love the smell of lilacs, but I love that deep purple color. I think it just pulls from the deep purple in the napkins. Just super, super pretty. Then these big, large leaves I got from the Target dollar spot for $3 each. I put 2 on each side of my little cake stand that has my my vase on it. I also put another one of the little napkins under it just to pull that whole color scheme together. This is the candle that I got from TJ Maxx also. This one is that Lilac Blossom. It smells great. I haven't lit it yet, but I do plan on lighting it. And I just stuck it in one of my white milk glass vases with some white stones. And those white stones came from the dollar store as well. So I just kind of set that there. I do have another one over here, which I was trying to see if I could find another candle like this or one very similar to put in this little one on this side just to kind of even it out. But that's just about it. So that is what my dining room place setting for Mother's Day looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out my Instagram, The Pixie Dust Housewife. And we will see you again real soon. There's Jameson. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care.